doing?
Nothing.
Why are you putting tissue in your mouth?
I just fix in my throat. It's gonna make
Oh, that's enough now. Let me look. Because you're all sweating. Let me just wipe you.
No. No.
What is it doing?
No. Take it. Stop it.